Welcome back. Now we start problems on section 4.3, fundamental theorem of calculus. The very first question is, let g of y be the integral negative 10 to y 4t squared sine t dt. Use the fundamental theorem of calculus to find g prime at y. So notice the variable inside is the top limit. Okay, precisely the same limit. Downstairs, the lower limit is some number, any number. It's a fixed number. Then the fundamental theorem of calculus applies. Let's go back to the fundamental theorem of calculus. The variable of my area function is the top variable, whereas downstairs the lower limit is any fixed number. Then when I take the derivative, I get the function inside for the same variable. All right. So function inside for the same variable. In other words, when I take derivative of this function g, I should get the same function, replace the t with that y. Okay. So here it is. G prime of y is 4y squared sine of y. All right. Let's plug it in. 4y power 2 sine of y. Submit. It's good. Let's try the next problem. It's the same kind of problem. F of x is the integral x to 17 t cube dt. Notice I don't want lower limit to be x, I want upper limit to be x. Okay, so here is that expression, integral x to 17. I need to flip these two. When I flip them, I introduce a negative. All right, so now this is negative integral 17 to x. Inside is the same. What does the fundamental theorem say? It says lower limit is a number, upper limit is the same object as the argument for my function, area function. Then the derivative is the function inside with the same variable in for f. All right. So my function is negative integral x here. X is the upper limit, lower limit is a constant, and this is my function. So when I take the derivative, I should get x cubed, but there is a negative outside, so negative x to the power 3. So notice I replaced, when I take derivative of an integral, I get the function inside. The function inside has a negative outside, and that's why it continues. So answer is negative x to the power 3. Okay. So until next video,